How to set live stream using Streamyard on your mobile phone. Search on Streamyard using Google Chrome or click the Streamyard logo. Click the three-dot upper right side of your phone and select desktop site. Then create broadcast, put title of your stream and put some descriptions. Set the time of your live stream, then change the thumbnail, select from your pictures. Click apply to use the pictures as your thumbnail. Then click create broadcasts. Click enter broadcast studio. Check the camera and microphone if it's working and click enter studio. Click this icon to be on screen. Click settings and green studio for your own background. Select pictures you want to be in your background. Reminder, green and blue background only, green screen work. Click apply and save your background. Click banners to set up color of your name. Then click go live to start your stream. Easy to use, just follow and enjoy doing live stream on YouTube using Streamyard.